when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in the kitchen. So we have some chicken breast with rib meat. We're about to chop them up into little bites. All right, we have some pickles right here with the juice. I mean some garlic, some carrots, and some jalapeno peppers, and some yellow peppers. So I've been marinating in this juice for about a week now. Go ahead and pour it in our chicken. We want this chicken a little spicy. We'll go ahead and mix it in. I'm gonna cover it up. I'm gonna let it stay room temperature for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna start frying. Okay, so we have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll go ahead and use some cornstarch. We'll season it. Chipotle chili peppers. Some basil. Garlic and herb. Buttery steakhouse rub. And it's our little coat for our chicken bites. Okay, so here we go right here. And mix it in again real quick. Get a nice little spin. We want these little bad boys to be a little spicy. There we go. And it's going right in there. So we'll coat them on up. We'll let them sit in our flour for a good 5 minutes. And then we're gonna set them out on a tray so that flour can soak into that meat. We can have a beautiful fry. So that's how we looking right there. I just pull it out the flour. So we'll go ahead and let these bad boys sit for a good 15 minutes. So that flour and that cornstarch and seasoning can soak into that meat. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. That's 20 minutes. Now it's time to get that beautiful fry. Alright, so here we go right here. Time to drop them in. Boom. Let them get that beautiful fry. The good thing about letting them sit so that flour can soak in the meat, you don't have to worry about shaking it like that. I just want to wait until it rises to the top. Once it rises to the top, you know it's done. So the wife wanted some mac and cheese to go with this. So I'm working on my mac and cheese. I'm not going to show that on the camera, because I don't want a long video. There go our fried chicken bites, little spicy chicken bites right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead with some Baby Ray, some sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. It's going in the microwave for 2 minutes, the barbecue sauce. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. A little mac and cheese from scratch. We have our fried spicy chicken bites. Barbecue spicy chicken bites. We have our little asparagus. Made it happen right here in this good kitchen. Barbecue fried spicy chicken bites. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Doing my thing right here in this good kitchen. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.